Linking your bank account to Justworks is a straightforward process that allows for seamless payroll and payment management. Follow these steps to connect your bank account effectively. Step 1. Log into your Justworks account. Access your Justworks account by visiting the Justworks website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Payment Settings section. This is typically located in the Account Settings or Financial Settings area. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Justworks, allowing for efficient payment processing. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Justworks support for assistance.